A quick look at what an electrician earns in Seychelles. The average electrician income in Seychelles is around $15,500 a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a share and leaves you with about $12,900 after tax. That brings home roughly $1,075 every month. While average electrician pay across the country is modest, working in Victoria brings in more, where take-home pay is around $15,200. Even though electrician wages outside Victoria are usually lower, the cheaper cost of living often offsets that difference. Experience pushes those numbers higher, so an entry-level electrician salary in Seychelles starts well below the average before pay goes up steadily early on. Moving into senior roles can double your earnings, but income usually plateaus unless you take on supervisory duties. Having a degree isn't mandatory for the job, though extra education helps you move into better roles like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, employer size makes a big impact on how much does an electrician make in Seychelles, because multinational companies pay noticeably more than small local firms.